Hi, today I'll be showing you my mechanical keyboard that I customized for school. I started with the RK68 keyboard, which has great value at just about $50 and is even wireless. For the switches, I opted for Gateron silent browns because I'll be using the keyboard in the computer lab. I was really attracted to these keycaps when I first saw them, as they have a very nice color palette and stand out from the rest. The original GMK darlings are out of stock, so I had to settle for clones from AliExpress. It took a while to remove all the original keycaps. Followed by the original brown switches. Here's a sound comparison between the standard browns and the silent browns. Time to install the new switches. And the new keycaps. One issue I have with the keycaps is that they are very tight fitting, so it takes some effort to install or remove them. And we're done.